This is the backside of Badshahi Mosque, and we are going to the Fort Road Food Street, or maybe not. This is all, the previous old heritage. Check out these horses. These are all old homes. Every building is old, you can see. This is Badshahi Mosque. The minar is so good. It's looking pretty, right? It's a great tourist attraction. Every person visiting Lahore must see this place. Check out this building. This minar is so pretty. There's a lot of traffic, right? Because today is 25th of December and people visit this place often. See this? It's full jam traffic. And so the restaurants have started. It is one of them, Ronak. This is the backside of Food Street. We are going to drink tea. We're not going to the food street right now. It's set for another day. This building seems like decades old and it's being reconstructed, or maybe it's retained for it, I guess.
If you want.
This is Phajja Siri Paye. We are going here to eat and drink something. It's a whale city. It's all, you can see these restaurants and dhabas.
If you want to try tawa piece, the best tawa piece in the town,
And
then
you should come to this place. This is Phajja Siri Paye.
And Arif Chatkhara House.
And Arif
Beside
Chatkhara
the
House is
Phajja
also
Siri
one of them. Whenever you come to Lahore,
Must visit Arif Chatkhara House and
Yes.
Phajja Siri Paye.
and you'll enjoy it. Damn sure you will. Take my guarantee for that. Lol, see this donkey? He's also visiting this. This is a shoe shop here you can visit, and we've entered Arif Chatkhara House. This is a poster. We are here at last. This poster, it is representing Minar Pakistan and the old heritage. So the food has arrived and I'm gonna dive into it. Bye bye. Check this out. It's Arif Chatkhara House. Must try it when you come to Lahore. It's on the backside of Fort Road Food Street. Bye bye. Actually made tawa piece. Must try it. This is the bazaar.
This is called
It's called Antuna Lahore, the inside of Lahore. Also check out this Shah Chicken Tawa Roast. We've come here to drink tea. Check out this Mughal art. This decoration is nice, right? This is the upside view of the restaurant. This is sweet potato. You should try this. The haunted house. This is old heritage. Every single one of this. Wait. Check out this pretty shop. Check this. This is an ice cream parlor. Sweet Tooth. This is the bus of sights in Lahore. This is the entrance to Food Street. I'll be making another video on when I visit Food Street. Right now, that's it. This out. Check this. What's this? We're heading back home. The traffic is full jam again. Seems like a haunted house. I cannot see it clearly. It's